My name is Jess and I'm the founder of Sallie Tomato, and a lot has happened since our last video. So if you're new here or perhaps you've been a subscriber already, I'm going to share all of our new releases, including new patterns, new products, some upcoming collaborations, some events that we've had, and also a special donation, all thanks to you guys. So let's get started. At the beginning of this month, we launched 2 new patterns. Our first launch includes our new tote bag pattern named Alice. We've affectionately named this tote after Alice, the beloved housekeeper in the Brady Bunch TV show from the 1970s. A row of snaps along the top edge adds 70s flair and creates the closure, plus it secures the tucked in side panels. Keep your items organized inside with the interior zipper and slip pockets. This pattern also features woven webbing straps. Another new pattern that we launched this month is called Kitty. It is a patchwork clutch. The Kitty pattern is a scrap-friendly clutch that has been inspired by 1970s fashion and the popular comedic sitcom That 70s Show. This pattern features our brand new flex frame hardware, so that way you can easily open and close the clutch. There are 2 different patchwork style versions, plus there is the option to attach a chain strap so you can wear this clutch crossbody. I always get so excited when we launch a new piece of hardware, so it's been fun to introduce our new flex frame purse hardware with this pattern, but also sold separately. Our flex frames are a type of closure hardware which stays closed and secure, but is also very easy to open. The hinged edges allow easy access to the inside of your bag. It's great for a flat, discreet closure and perfect for our Kitty pattern. Typically, this type of hardware is installed on bags that have a casing along the top edge. So be sure to check out our YouTube tutorial where Kate explains step-by-step how to install this unique, easy hardware. Moving on to more exciting news, this year for Earth Day, Sallie Tomato was able to contribute a donation to the Friends of Horicon Marsh. Here at Sallie Tomato, we are very passionate about creating a sustainable business and improving how we contribute and give back. So this year for Earth Day, we had a very special cork fabric sale where we donated 5% of the proceeds to the Friends of Horicon Marsh. I wanted to share a special thank you for those who participated, and we are so grateful for all of your support. We were able to raise $1,000 for the Friends of Horicon Marsh. We recently presented them with a check for the donation. The money will be used for conservation and educational resources within the marsh. If you would like to learn more about Friends of the Horicon Marsh, you can visit their website in the link below. Next, I want to share a sneak peek with you. So we have been working very hard here at Sallie Tomato to bring you a brand new collaboration series with Missouri Star Quilt Company. I encourage you to check out their YouTube channel where we'll soon be releasing a new set of video tutorials and exclusive patterns just for Missouri Star. You'll be able to shop for the exclusive patterns and kits on their website, so be sure to look out for those patterns. Next, I want to share a little bit of behind the scenes with you. So as you may know, if you've been following us on social media, I have been teaching and traveling on our Sallie Tomato tour. So for part 1, I taught classes and lectured at shops in Minnesota and North Dakota. It was such a great pleasure to visit those stores and to meet you in person. My family and I will be hitting the road again soon for part 2 of our tour. We'll be traveling to Indiana, North Carolina, and Florida. So be sure to check out the Sallie Tomato events page on our website to see if we'll be teaching at a store near you. We've added a link below this video to our events page, and I'll also be traveling on part 3 and 4 of this tour later this summer. And as I wrap up this video with all of the latest news from Sallie Tomato, I'd like to leave you with a quote from Shanna Rodriguez. The great thing about new friends is that they bring new energy to your soul. I love this quote. I thought it was so perfect for all of the travel that we've been doing, coming to trade shows and me traveling and teaching and meeting all of you. And let me tell you, there is a magic about the sewing community, and it is truly inspiring. I'd love to start a conversation in the comments below and hear what your first sewing project was, and also what got you into sewing. How did you start? While I've been teaching, I've heard so many incredible stories and met so many new bag makers and sewists. It's all because of you guys that we keep creating and coming out with new video tutorials to inspire you. So I hope you're enjoying your creative journey, and we're so happy that you're here. I'm excited to read your comments below, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, product demonstrations, and full tutorials. I will see you in the next video, and until then, have a creative day.